talk about how you can convert your BNB smart chain to USDT on Trust Wallet. But before we do that, we have to note some things that are very, very important, because if you don't know these things, you might think you might think you've lost your coin. All right, so you don't want that to happen, or you might lose your coin somehow. All right, let's just take note of this. Most people want to convert their coin to USDTs just to make it stable, just to, that's a way of them taking profit. That's a way of taking profit. Take profits. So that when there's up and downs of cryptocurrency, your coin does not really fluctuate that much. So most times they run into loss trying to do that, and this video should be helpful enough to actually serve you in that capacity, to prevent any losses that would have actually incurred. I've uploaded a lot of videos about how to recover coins sent to wrong address, and this I'm about to mention now is one of the prevalent mistakes that most person makes. Now, this is something that you have to understand before you go on with this video, before you run the conversion of BNB to USDT on Trust Wallet. The most important thing that you have to notice now, when you convert your BNB smart chain to USDT on Trust Wallet, it's not the original USDT you are converting to. It turns into USDT peg, binancepeg USDT. All right. So even if you have to send that USDT to another platform, let's say to Nuno or to Binance or to Coinbase, now you will have to convert it to ERC before you send to that platform, else you will lose your coin. All right. So if you are trying to convert BNB to USDT just because you want to send it to somebody or you want to send it to another platform, please don't do it, because you are going to lose the coin. You're going to lose everything. All right. So now when you convert BNB to USDT on Trust Wallet, it turns into USDT smart chain, or it turns to binancepeg USDT, which means for you to get back your BNB, for you to get back your coin, you have to still run conversion USDT to BNB conversion on Trust Wallet using pound cake swap. All right. Or the other way you can get it back is you have to send your USDT to Binance on bep20 network. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So if you want to convert it into the normal USDT that is ERC, now it means that you have to use Ethereum to convert it to USDT. All right, Ethereum to USDT, not Ethereum peg, Ethereum ERC20 to USDT. So that will be in another video. I'll cover that in another video. But in this video right now, let's talk now. If I believe now you've understood what I'm actually talking about right here now, and we can actually continue with this video. Remember, your conversion is going to peg USDT. All right. So if you are sending it to anywhere, it should be a place where it receives bep20 USDT. Else you are going to lose your token. All right, and you don't want that to happen. So if you are doing this on Binance, it's the normal USDT, back and forth, it's the normal USDT. That will be another video as well, and it's very simple. All right, it's very simple. All right, so let's just go through it right now and see how it works. All right. Let me get rid of anything. See, there's no USDT. Now I think I have a bit of a little bit of smart chain right here that I'm going to use to run this. All right, so let's just go on with this video right away. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to convert about 0.5 of this smart chain to USDT and then back and forth. Let's do this. First thing you have to do is go to dApps. There's the dApps. All right, click on dApps, then go to Pancake Swap. All right, you might not have Pancake Swap showing up on your browser this way on the dApps, so you have to scroll to the bottom. You see Pancake Swap somewhere. All right, click on Pancake Swap. So when you click on Pancake Swap, now this doesn't really apply to only BNB, but just know that BNB is what is used. Okay, let me search here. Search USDT. BNB is what is used as transaction fee in this kind of situation. So you can convert other coins and not specifically BNB, but just know that you need BNB as a transaction to serve as transaction fee. So here now I'm going to enter max, all right, because I might want to use, okay, let me use some few percentage, 0.00001. All right, this is just specifically for this tutorial. Okay, that's about 0.5 of USDT, and then I click swap. All right, then confirm swap. It should be up and running in no time. Okay, so here it takes me, and then I click approve, and the transaction is off. So boom, that is done. Now if you come here, you discover that I've successfully swapped this BNB will disappear. All right, we have about 0.26 USDT left. Now you discover that I've successfully swapped my BNB to USDT. But funny enough, this look to the wallet, you can't see USDT, and this is what most people complain that, okay, I've lost my coin, they've lost their coin. All right, try not to lose their coin up within the wallet. All right, so this is what you need to do. Most times, in most cases, you will not find any way to go about this. But what you do, what you do, click on the smart chain, click on the latest transaction, which is that transaction that you carry on, then click on you see more details down here. Click on the more details. All right, when you click on more details, it will take you to BS scan where you see the transaction details. Now, the reason why you're going to this particular place is specifically to take the contract ID of the USDT you swapped to. All right, so we have to scroll up, scroll up. Now you can see here, let's click on, you can see this is what we swapped into from, you can see from to. All right, so you click on the USDT, binancepeg USDT. Now see where it takes us to, token binancepeg BSC USD. All right, so now this is what we came here for. We are looking for this. All right, so we'll copy that and then go to copy it and then go back to Trustwallet. Where is our Trustwallet? Go back to Trustwallet and manually add it up. All right, because it will not automatically be added up. So you click on the three dot at the top left hand side. That's here, somewhere here. All right, you click on that and then paste that contract ID. Most times it may not appear. Boom, there's nothing. All right, so you have to click on add token, add custom token. So you have to add it manually. So most persons just go ahead to paste this, nothing will reflect. The reason being that this is a different network that is here, so you have to change the network there to a Binance Smart Chain network. All right, so once you paste it, everything should automatically come up this way. All right, you click done, boom, you have your USDT. All right, it's just as simple as that. So if I go back to my wallet right now, you see I have my USDT right there. All right, so this USDT right here, you can see that it is actually a BEP20 network. All right, this is one thing that most persons don't understand. Now when you search here, this is a bonus point, search here. Now you see a whole lot of different USDT that comes up. Okay, USD. Okay, we have USDT ERC, all right, that's USDT ERC that also will appear here. All right, so that's the different USDT. So if anyone
let's say if you want to convert a coin to USDT ERC, that's the normal USDT that you know, that is not peg, that is everywhere. Now it means that you have to use Ethereum coin, not peg Ethereum coin. So you need to buy some quantity of Ethereum, send it to Trust Wallet, then run the conversion here. All right, using you could use PancakeSwap, you could use what do you call it? You could use other swapping interface. All right, you could use other swapping interface. I think which other swapping interface work? Uniswap. You could use Uniswap to run that. All right, so now we have our coin successfully converted. Now if you want to get back this is a way of one taking profit. All right, but if you want to get back this coin into smart chain, all right, let's say you don't understand how to transact with this, because the only way you can transact with this is it's either you convert it back or you send it to Binance. Let me show you how to do that right away. That should be another video, but let me just show you. You click on wallet, click on deposit. You can see my Binance. I literally have no coin right there. Click on USDT. Now when you click on USDT, okay, please confirm identity. What's that? Binance is messing up at times these days. Just come up with stuff. So now you can see here we have USDT ERC. No, that's not where you're going to. Now if you swipe this arrow, there's an arrow here. So keep swiping left. Keep swiping left. If I click on this one, we have BEP2. All right, I'm not using BEP2. Then we click on this one, you have BEP20. All right, that's where we are going to. So you see here there are a bunch of other things like Solana network USDT, Tron network, that's the RC USDT. So here we have BEP20 USDT. All right, this is where you are sending it. All right, if you must send it to Binance. So once you send it to Binance on this BEP20, it comes in here as a normal USDT. You can transact it, you can send it on any network you want to send it on. Otherwise, if you want to reconvert this back to your normal BNB, so you have to go to the same PancakeSwap, click on PancakeSwap, and then run the conversion in reverse form. All right, this time around, come here, choose USDT. All right, okay, this is just for tutorial, because this is waste of fees. All right, doing this. All right, click on the arrow to reverse it. This time around you're swapping from USDT to back to BNB, then click on max. All right, because I want to swap all, then click on swap. Okay, I still need to pay some bit of transaction fee trying to do this swap. Okay, let me see. I'll pay $12. Okay, that's okay. So on PancakeSwap, literally you have to pay in every way that whenever you are running transactions. So if I make this payment and I put this transaction fee and then I don't continue with the swap, it's none of their business. All right. So next time I want to come back and see gonna pay that fee. All right. So why you wait for that to run and then the swap will appear, and you click on swap, so this I think this a package interface is a bit tricky. Like it gets slow depending on the phone memory you are using. So like if you're using a phone with a very low memory, like about 2 GB mobile phone, it might be a bit slow. So you have to be a lot more patient. So my phone right here is just 4 GB. So it doesn't really slow and stuff like that. So once it runs, like once it opens up this interface, boom, your transaction will go through. So you see the amount I need to complete the swap back. All right, so eventually I will not be able to swap that. All right, that was just for this tutorial. So I'll be having 0.5 USDT just left right there. All right, that would have served as transaction fee to others. So if you understand this very well, please like and subscribe to my channel. All right,
To convert it back into Binance smart chain, all right, Binance coin smart chain, all right, you still have to use the same PancakeSwap to run the conversion. It's still the same thing back and forth. All right, so it's just as simple as that. All right, like this video, comment, and you know, give me a thumbs up. All right, so see you in my next video.